All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for that. We'd like to welcome up our next guest speaker from DIFX. They're going to be talking about why there is an intermediate need for a cross-asset trading platform and how DIFX revolutionizes the global trading landscape. I'd like to call up onto the stage Jeetu Kataria. Nice to have you back once again. Come on, guys, let's get some energy in here. Can we have a little bit of a round of applause for Jeetu? Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeetu Kataria. I'm the founder and CEO of DIFX, which is Digital Financial Exchange. On my background, I am an hedge fund trader, venture capitalist, and I have been managing a few family offices since last 4 years in cryptocurrencies and Forex trading. Over last 5 years, I have been trading massively on Forex, commodities, stocks, and majorly crypto since last 3 years. And what I have seen, the problems which I faced while trading at a massive level, that switching between these assets was my major concern when I need to buy Bitcoin and then I need to switch to gold. That was a major concern, and finding the platform which gives me a seamless trading, this was not available at that time. After trading at that scale, we finally, because of our background into tech, we invested in many tech companies, plus we were trading since last so many years. We finally came to the conclusion in 2019 that let's go for an exchange as a planning, and we will have a cross-asset exchange wherein we allow users to trade on all the assets they wish to trade seamlessly, secured, and fast enough. That's where we came out with DIFX, which is Digital Financial Exchange. What's the best in DIFX is that DIFX is a fully insured cross-asset exchange wherein we allow users to keep their funds, whatever amount they want to keep, in their wallets and cryptocurrencies, which are totally insured and fully secured. On top of it, we have one of the largest custodians who's at the back end, who's managing $600 billion today in terms of the crypto assets, which is almost 40% of the market share. And we have the custodian who's managing all the wallets on our exchanges, and all the wallets have been insured. Apart from that, it's a one-stop solution for the users that today, if they want to trade in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, along with that, they need to trade on traditional assets also. They can trade on traditional assets like gold, silver, crude. They can buy Bitcoin with copper. They can buy silver with Ethereum. This is the beauty of DIFX. What are the trading verticals on DIFX? We trade cryptocurrencies. We are into Forex, cross-asset trading, options, commodities, and we have more than 300 stock derivatives to trade along with cryptocurrency as a cross pairing. Why we are different from so many exchanges which are available right now in the market? We have Forex brokers at one end who are not giving us spot cryptocurrencies, or we have exchanges which gives us spot cryptos, but they don't give us exotic pairings which are available right now, which they carve to trade. If they want to do Bitcoin to gold, silver to Ethereum, it's not available anywhere. That's where DIFX comes in place, wherein you can trade cross-asset with the wallets are fully insured. We have high liquidity because of the custodians and the liquidity providers what we have at the back end. You can trade crypto, and on top of everything is DIFX token, which is a utility token where you can use these utility token, whatever you are trading, whatever commissions you are charged, if you are paying your commissions in DIFX token, you get up to 50% discount. Today, we see there are more than, I think, 10,000 centralized crypto exchanges, and I think 80–85% of the exchanges don't even have a company, but they go live because that's easy to go live on that. But that's what the problem we have seen, that today we have massive security risk when we trade on these exchanges because they don't have any regulation, and nobody checks when they go on these exchanges and trade because of the volumes they show what they are doing. We have shortage of diversified assets what they trade. They are either single dimensional exchanges like crypto exchanges, or they are on the another side of traditional. We get lots of lack of liquidity when we trade on these centralized exchanges. When we go for the withdrawal of our assets, either in cryptocurrencies or either in the fiat, it takes 24 hours, 48 hours for them to even transfer the funds, what profits you have made or what you have transferred. These are the problems today we face on these centralized exchanges. Why DIFX ecosystem is a single point solution for the users today? Because you can trade all your assets which are fully insured. DIFX has its own token which is traded with other assets and you can use it as a utility. We have a multi-asset exchange which is with Forex, and we have a cryptocurrency exchange along with that integrated. We have a strong market in MENA and GCC region. Along with that, we have a massive presence in whole of Africa also. DIFX, on top of DIFX, we have integrated the robust MT5 platform for the users of the traditional assets to come on trade. Today we have seen that 75 to 80% of the trades are happening on MT5 platform. But there was a massive gap what I saw, that cryptocurrency have their own set of traders and MT5 has their own traders, and that's what we are trying to combine today. And we see the real volumes and real trades happening once you combine these two asset classes combined. Because if we see in last one and a half year what has happened in crypto industry, that from $200 billion it has gone up to $2 trillion. In terms of volume, they are doing $200 billion a day, which is massive. And when you club these two asset classes, which are Forex and cryptocurrencies combined, that's where you get a real utility and the real volumes you wish to have it. We have a top-notch platform, MT5, which gives you a smart, which gives you all the tokens, all the assets you want to trade. In MT5 itself, we have more than 100 cryptocurrency derivatives as CFDs where you can trade along with the cross-asset pairings. We have advanced tools wherein you can see all your analysis. We have a DIFX Academy which is live right now for all the users, which is free for all. They can learn how to trade on MT5, how to trade on cryptocurrencies, and it gives you advice on what is the risk management system you need to maintain when you trade all these assets on cryptocurrencies and on traditional assets. Because of the volatility, what you need to do, how to keep these stop losses, at what point you need to exit. We have given a detailed overview in our academy where you can trade, you can see all these things, and you can be a sophisticated trader wherein a professional trader can be created in last 6 months. So our motto is that we invite new traders to come on board, learn how to trade by DIFX Academy and start your trading journey with our exchange. What are the investment opportunities as on today with DIFX? Today we have seen in last 4 years there are n number of exchanges which have came, and each and every exchange has its own token, which was a utility, which was a medium of utility on the ecosystem it was working. If you see all these top 20 crypto exchanges which have came, they have shown returns to the tune of 5x to 5,000x in terms of the value of the token the day it was launched. And these all were single dimensional exchanges. They were trading only on crypto exchanges and utility of their coin was single dimensional. But on DIFX we have a traditional assets and we have a cryptocurrency exchange wherein the utility of our token combines both the volumes. So you can imagine that DIFX token which is acting as a medium, in coming 6 months to 1 year, what utility it will have once we are fully matured on all the products. So that's what the returns I showed, that over past 5 years, that's the exchange tokens have shown that returns in terms of multiples. What is DIFX token? It's disruptive cross-asset trading. It's an immutable ledger technology. It's fast and secure, and it has an X factor of being a cross-asset trading with a robust security system, robust KYC AML system, and fully insured wallets. DIFX is basically available across the region. We have a massive presence across Europe, Southeast of Asia, We are available in Middle East right now, and we are doing very big in Africa. On the regulations front, we have companies in Singapore, UAE, Cayman Islands. We are based in Labuan, Estonia, and UK. So if anybody is coming and trading on DIFX, they should be rest assured that the company is well regulated, and looking at the companies and looking at the presence we have as a regulations across, you can be rest assured that we are here to stay for a longer run. So that's what I have to say about DIFX. What we have seen in so many years, and especially with the time of COVID, that cryptocurrencies has worked wonders for lots of people who were not able to earn because of the pandemic. And there were lots and lots of tokens which came at a smaller level. And in Southeast Asian region, these tokens became massive, and these companies today are $20 billion, $25 billion company, reaching from 15 cents, 20 cents to $80. This was the price which we have seen of each and every token. It's only because of the utility, and we feel that this industry is here to stay. We see at least 10x from here in coming 5 years. So I advise everyone to come on board and trade on these assets as a long-term investor and be invested in all these assets for the longer term. Thank you. I'm open for questions if anybody wants to ask any questions from me. We have booth number 96 over here. If anybody is having any questions or they want to discuss any kind of collaborations with us, they can visit. We have our whole team present over there. So everyone is open. Please, I invite everyone to visit our booth. Thank you. Good day, everyone.